Fun fact between the 3/8 HP impact wrench and the 1/4 inch HP driver, the HP driver is actually bigger here. Let's see, the 3/8 impact is about 2 1/4 inch, and this is 2.5 inch, and this is actually 160 foot-pound for the 3/8 driver, and the 1/4 inch driver is 2200 inch-pound, which is actually 183.33 foot-pound of torque. So this is actually bigger and more powerful than the 3/8 here. If you want to know the part number that we're comparing here, this is the PSBIW01CN, and this one here is the PBLID01. Yeah, I thought that was some pretty interesting fact here. They're about the same height. It's just how wide they are that is different.